Hello student, we go over AA1, convert between exponential and logarithmic form. Okay, so here we go. So take a look over here. If you have b power, b power to the x equal y. So now you can write in log form. So the log over here, take a look. The log needs the base, alright? The base of exponential has to be the base of the log. Okay. The power of your exponential has to be the answer of the log. Okay. And then the leftover has to be the y. So this is the formula. So take a look over here. 3, 3, and 27. So in the box, the missing number has to be 27. Alright? Here we go. So now over here, the base of exponential number a, the base of log is number a. The power of the exponential is number 2, and this is the answer to the log. So therefore, the missing number has to be 64. Okay. Next one over here. Okay. The base of this log is number 9. So therefore, the base of your exponential has to be number 9. Okay? And it's clearly 9 power 0 is number 1. So I put in number 9 here. I submit. Correct. Okay. So now take a look over here. You don't see the base of the log. It means the base is a hidden number 10. So therefore, in the empty box had to be number 1. Okay, so here we go. You got this number 1. Okay. Again, if you see the log with no base, it means it has a hidden base number 10. Alright? The power of exponential is the answer to the log. Okay? So this has to be number 3. Number 3. Okay. Now, from log into exponential form, it's clearly number 5 is 5 by power 1 is number 5. Okay? This is clearly, okay. Next one over here, a square, oh my god, a square 64, clearly. You guys, from exponential to the log, is harder than the log to exponential because a square is clearly 64. Okay? Here we go. Next one. Okay. Again, if you don't see the base, it's a hidden number 10. Alright? So the base of exponential is the base of the log. So negative 1 over here. So therefore, the empty box has to be 110. 110. Voila. Okay, so now 2 power negative 2, it had to be 1 4. 1 4. Here we go. And now clearly 1,000. Come on, 1,000. It should be 10 power to the 3. All right. And now again, the power of your exponential had to be the answer of the log. Okay. So over here had to be negative 3. Okay, voila. And now this one over here, number 1, 0 over here, the base of the exponential is number 6, and this is the base of log, also number 6. So number 1 had to be in the box. So I put number 1 right here. Here we go. Okay, 1 half. It's already here, negative 1 over here. So number 2 missing, so number 2 has to be in the box. Okay, so now take a look. You got 2 empty boxes. So take a look over here. Again, the missing base has to be number 10. Okay, remember the power of your exponential had to be the answer to the log. So therefore, the 0 had to be here. And then the leftover had to be number 1, right here. Okay? So I put number 1 right here. And then 0 is right here. Okay, submit. Here we go. So, again, the power of your exponential had to be the answer to log. So therefore, number negative 3 had to be right here. And then the leftover 343 had to be right there. Okay? So I put it in, negative 3 is right here. And then 343 is right here. Alright? Next one. Okay. Again, the base of the log is the base of your exponential. So therefore, number 5 had to be right here. Okay? Number 5, negative 1. So 1/5 had to be here. Okay? So 1/5. And then number 5. Okay, I got 85 points. Look at this log. I don't see the base. So what's a hidden base? Number 10. Okay. If you have the base of log number 10, the base of the exponential should be the same. So number 10 should be right here. And then you can see the missing number had to be 0. Okay? So I put number 10 right here. And then put 0 right here. Okay, 10 power 0 equal 1. Alright. So the power, the base of your exponential 19 had to be the base of log. So I put 19 right here as the base of log. Okay? 19. And then the power of exponential had to be the answer to log. Okay? So I put right here had to be negative 2. So the leftover right here had to be 81. Voila. Okay? Same thing over here. Again, the base of your log number 3, alright? It had to be the base of exponential. Okay? So I put number 3 right here. And then what else? The answer of the log is the power of the exponential. You see that? So therefore, number 1 has to be right there. Okay? And then, of course, 3 power to the 1 equals 3. And then I'm done. I'm done. Here we go. Ooh, I almost got a medal. Alright. Again, you don't see the base. It's a hidden base. Hidden base number 10. So the base of the log, also the base of exponential. Okay? The answer of the log is the power of the exponential. Okay? So let's put it in. Number 10 right here. Power 2 right here. And of course 10 power 2 is 100. Okay? Here we go. Done. Alright. Ooh, take a look over here. It has to be exponential form. Okay? So let's write it down. Exponential form. So the base of the log is number 3. So I put in number 3. Number 3 is the base of an exponential. The answer to log is the power of your exponential. Okay? Now I put an equal sign, and then of course 1/9 missing, 1/9 missing. That is the answer. Okay? Same thing over here. The base of the log is hidden. It means it is number 10. Okay? So I put in number 10. The answer to the log is the power of your exponential. Okay? And then 10 power 1, of course, equal 10. Voila. Okay, I should have one more. Let's go to exponential form. Again, the base of your log is the same base of exponential. So number 9 had to be there. The answer of the log, it had to be the power of your exponential. So -1 had to be there. Okay? And then put equal sign. 9 power -1 is 1/9. Okay? Voila. Ooh, it said awesome. I should do one more and then I'm done. Okay. So now you want a log form. Okay. You see the base of your exponential number 9. Alright. So therefore the base of your log, I'm sorry, number 7. So the base of your log had to be 7. Okay? Alright, let's put the equal sign first over here. The power of your log, the power of your log is the answer of your base, the power of your exponential is the answer of your log. So therefore, negative 2 had to be right here. Okay? And then the leftover is 1 over 49. 1 over 49. Okay? Voila. That's it. Okay. Perfect.